Hi guys, what's up? If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ashura, and if you're already part of the family, what's up? Welcome back. I know it's been long. I've been MIA. I know I've not been posting anything. It's been over a year, guys. I know life has been keeping me busy. Like, I graduated, I started a new job, so you know, I've been busy, but that doesn't matter because I'm here with the new video, guys. I'm so excited. I'm buzzed. I've got a new camera, guys. Yeah, a new camera, guys. Quality to my videos is gonna be lit. But before we get into the video, please subscribe, share, comment, like, all that good stuff. So we're gonna get into the video. We're gonna start off with the accessories. First, I got all of them separately from like the camera, and I got them all from Amazon separately as well. I'll put down everything on the description box, so check that out if you want to see where I got them. Okay, so the first thing I got is this SD card. It's 128 gigabytes. This is a good size, I think. 128 gigabytes, I think that's a good size, just so I don't run out of space when I'm like recording, and I just have enough space in my camera. So this got this cute. Next thing I got was this WD Element basic portable storage. So this is 2 terabytes. So this right here is important, guys. I've only recently found out about this actually. So the laptop that I use, my MacBook, does not have enough space. So when I'm editing on my iMovie and I have this attached to my laptop, I can legit do anything. Like, none of that storage disk full nonsense, none of that. You're not going to see any of that if you have this bad boy. So apparently this is what you need, and I didn't know this, guys. So I can't wait to start editing in peace. So this is important. I'll show you guys how it looks like. So I've opened it. It's got this wire and it's got the external hard drive. So apparently very important. I can't wait to use this. Next up I got was this charger here, and it comes with 2 batteries. So a charger and 2 batteries. Let's see how it looks. So these are the 2 batteries, and you kind of just put them. So apparently it's important to have extra batteries, just because battery life to the camera is like 50 minutes, an hour almost. And so if you're out vlogging or filming and your camera dies on you, you can just change the batteries. So yeah, the last accessory that I got separately was this tempered glass camera LCD screen protector. Okay, so it's got like this sticker thing, dust absorber, guide sticker. It's got some whites here as well. It's got this 2 of these funny things. I don't even know what they are, whatever. And it's got the glass. I'm guessing, yeah, the glass. I'll get my dad to help me put this on, just because I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, just like your phone, like you want a screen protector, you know, you don't want any scratches to your phone. And because the camera's expensive, guys, I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not trying to, guys, it's expensive. It needs to stay looking cute. So I'm gonna use this. So the next thing that I got, well, I actually didn't get, this came with the camera. Shooting grip with wireless remote commander. Yeah, so this comes with the camera. It's like a deal, like a package, and it gave me a good discount, guys. The discount was sweet. So anyways, it comes with, yeah, the usual. You've got your guide, setup guide, whatever, shows you how to set it up and how to use it. We have is this bag, I guess. You kind of put the remote inside. This is the remote. It's got the photo here, iMovie, the zoom out, I don't know what these are, but this is Bluetooth, which is nice. You can open it up like this, and you can just put it on a table, and you know, just sit it on a table and you can just record. It's got a battery that comes with it as well. Let me try. The battery comes with it as well. And yeah, this is pretty sweet, guys. Cute. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the camera. Can't wait. The moment we have all been waiting for, but I've been waiting for anyways, is the camera, guys. I'm buzzed, guys. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's just open it up, guys. I don't even care. Let's open it up. Let's see. I need to relax. I need to breathe. Like, okay, so we've got some leaflets, some setup guides and whatnot. I'll read that later. No one cares. We've got, this is the charger, I'm guessing. We've got this. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. So it's like, it helps with the sound and let people hear you better, like especially if you're outside and it's windy or busy. This is very, very good. This is the charger. Oh, I'll show you guys the difference between the other charger that I got as well. This is how they both look. So that's pretty cool. And now the camera, guys. The camera. I'm buzzed, like, what? Oh my gosh, guys, amazing. It is nice and compact, it's small, it's beautiful, guys. This looks expensive. It's got the flip out screen. Oh, the flip out screen. So you can see yourself when you're recording, so you know like you're in the screen and whatnot. And it's got the on and off button. It's got the mode button, which kind of lets you pick out settings. It's got the zoom in and out. It's got the bit you can film. I don't know what that is. It's got some more bits and bobs. Down here is where you can add your battery and your SD card. And this silver circle thing is where you put the remote control thing, the Bluetooth control thing. And oh, this bit here as well is a mic, I think. But you can also add like external mic if you want to. And this bit here, you kind of just add the thing for the sound, that fluffy thing. So now I'm just going to add the battery and the SD card into the camera. We're going to turn it on, set it up, and I'm going to show you guys a comparison between my iPhone 12 Pro Max and the camera. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Guys, hello there. Oh girl, you cute. What's your name? What's your number? Let me holler at you real quick. Guys, I'm flirting with myself. This camera got my confidence from here to here in a matter of seconds. Bye. My makeup looks good. I look glowy, I look dewy, I look good. Guys, imagine if I had highlighter, I'll be glistening. Wow, guys, the quality. The quality, 10 out of 10. I'm so in love, guys. I can't wait to use this to vlog, to post more content for you guys. Guys, this is just stunning. Now I understand why the price was pricey, because it is given. It is given. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm gonna be here forever if I continue just videoing myself. Guys, amazing. I love this. I'm just gonna like set it up and put everything together. Voila. Guys, how cute is this? So this is how it looks with everything on. I'm so in love, guys. I would recommend this camera for sure. Like, I've not even used it like that, but I'm already trying to like tell you buy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down any questions and I'll try my best to like reply to it. I don't know everything about this camera, but I'll try my best. But I got this camera from Curry's World. Guys, I got a good discount from it as well. But yeah, everything will be down on the description box, so check out everything that I bought. Everything you've seen in this video will be down in the description box. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, share, comment, like, all that good stuff, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.